Good day everyone, you are welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to see how to extract coordinates from Google Earth Pro. So launch your Google Earth Pro and go to any place of your choice. Zoom into any place of your choice. For instance, I want to extract the coordinate of some area here. So to do that, come to this tool called Add Path. Click on that, then click and drag to add paths. Just like this, you click your mouse, hold it, and draw lines like this to draw paths. Let's say this is enough, then you draw as many as possible. The more you draw, the better. Draw as this. So once you are okay with this area, you leave the console. Then you come to this place and label it, name it. Let's name it as path. Then click on OK. So this is it, path. So then right click and save place as. Click on that, navigate to your folder. Let's just call it path 2 to differentiate it from the file I have here. So click on save. Then what we want to do now is to convert this KML we have just saved into text. So to do that, launch your browser, open a new tab, and type GPS visualizer. GPS visualizer. Click enter. So this first link, click on that. Here, upload GPS file. Click on upload, choose file. So navigate to your folder and say part 2. Click on that and click open. So you can see part2.kmz. Here, choose an output format. Choose plain text table. Plain text table. Then click on convert it. So it will convert it to a table. So you can see a preview here. You can see latitude and longitude. So what you can do here, you can copy it here, or you can download it, whichever one you choose. So if you choose to download it, come here and click on download. Click here. It has started downloading. Download finish. So you can now go to your download. This is the file here. So you can now open it. So this is it. You can see our latitude and longitude. So you can Ctrl A to copy all, right click and copy. So you can open a new Excel sheet, right click and paste. So you can delete this unwanted field, delete. So like this, you can change it to serial number 1 2. So just highlight this and double click here, so to change for all. So you can see we have our latitude and longitude. So in essence, this is how to extract coordinates easily from Google Earth. Thank you for watching this video.